Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS draft module. Okay. In the previous video, we have seen how to insert a new view in one sheet. In that video, we discussed about the concept called Drawlist. Okay. So let us understand what is this Drawlist. You can go to create option and you can have a draw list option, and that is the option where you can create different draw list. Okay, now first let us understand what is draw list. Draw list is basically a list of equipment or components which you can put together and add it into one view. Okay, and those components will definitely come from the database which you have created in your equipment design module. Okay, so you basically create a set of list of elements which you can insert into a view. That is what is called a draw list. Okay, so draw list will have its own numbering system. uh, Depending upon the registry in which you are creating a draw list, you will get those numbers and you can then add your specific name for that draw list. Okay, so let us say I want to have this draw list as site 1, and let us say okay. Then a draw list management dialog box will open up. Let us understand what is there in this. The library in which that draw list is created from, okay, or stored in. And there are two draw lists right now, three draw lists basically. One is drawing, one is equipment, and one is site. Okay, equipment we have created in previous video. Now these are the draw lists which are already there in the sheet. That is the list of draw list. There is a create option. You can copy a draw list and edit it afterwards. You can delete a draw list and you can clean up the everything which is there in the draw list right now in the my registry, okay, library. So these are the five options which you can have. We will go for creating a new one. Okay, so you can create a new draw list. So if you want to delete, let us say I want to delete this equipment draw list, I can delete this equipment draw list directly from my registry. And there is a copy option. It will create a copy of that draw list. Let's see how to add different members in draw list. Okay, so I am selecting this draw list which is already created, site 01, or you can start with create option, and then you can keep on adding different elements. So I will just go to world first, and then just a second. Yeah, just select the sheet and you will get the database from the design explorer. So you can just go to world, just a second. Yeah, so you can just go to design members from which you can get the design database, and you can select a demo site, and let us say I want to include whole site. So select that site and say add. The whole site is added in my draw list members. Okay, you can also add specific equipments from different sites also. So again, going to world practice, let us say I want this also in my draw list. Everything will keep on adding. Then what you can do is, I don't want this whole site, let us say I am deleting this entry. Okay, you can also have a delete all option which will empty your draw list. And I am again going for, let us say, demo, in which I want to just add one equipment. So I am just selecting that one equipment in the draw list. I want equipment 2 also, so you can add those equipments. Okay, so this is basically will be saved in your database as a draw list, and I can use this draw list for different views. Okay, to create different views. So it is always better to create different draw lists depending upon your projects. Different draw list for piping, different draw list for equipments, different draw list for each equipment maybe, and different draw list for the connections of your piping. And then you can keep on adding those draw list in your different views, so that will be easy to make your whole draft or sheet of your draft quickly. Okay, so that is what the draw list is. These are the options which are available in your draw list. You can add or remove draw list also. Okay, so this is what the basic draw list management I want to discuss. So go through these options, various options. If you have any queries, you can just put it into a comment box. I will try to answer those as soon as possible. And yeah, so if you like this content, do share my details with your friends. Do subscribe my channel for the latest updates related to AVEVA draft equipment, and check the playlist which are available on my channel. Thank you for joining.